Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Taurus for the month of June. So as I said, this will be a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So in this reading, we will be taking out the general energy for the month of June, the challenges you might be facing, the advice, what is there, and what is the probable outcome. At the end of the reading, we will also take some angels and ancestors messages as the guidance for you to deal with the situation and also the other blessings around you. Okay, so please stay till the end and let's see what do the cards have. If any of the cards in your reading appears in which there is a human body which is not covered, I will not show that card on the video as it is against the YouTube policies, but I will definitely read out the card which has come and the messages coming through the cards. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's the general energy. Okay, all right, this is the general energy for the month. This is the challenge, the guidance, and the outcome. Okay, bottom of the deck, I see you are too much focusing on what is gone, and because of that you are not able to change your perspective on what you need to do next. Okay, you are not able to see the clear path, which is also being displayed by this card of Two of Swords. Like you are not sure what you have to do, you are not clear on what your next step should be, what decision you should make. Okay, so you are on a crossroads basically, where it's like you are kind of trying to make a decision. It may be between, it may be the choice you have to make between two important things, or two things which are very different but important to you at the same time. Okay, so which is causing you emotional overwhelming feeling, you're feeling overwhelmed because of this, and it's kind of heavy on you, right? So now let's see what is the obstacle here, what's the energy. So I think somewhere you are kind of looking for something beyond which you have been doing till now, or you are kind of trying to see things from a different perspective but not in the same way how people around you are seeing it. Okay, for some of you it can also be that you are planning to move ahead, I mean move, maybe changing a particular country or your work or your something new you are trying to bring in, which is kind of you need to have a proper plan, proper strategy for that, and you may not be getting proper support from everyone around you, and that is what somewhere it's like you are not sure of what you do, what you have to do, listen to the people around you, or how you have to go ahead in your life. Okay, so it's like you are looking for basically a proper a support maybe for some of you, and also a proper plan you need to have so that you can come out of that issue of being in dilemma. Okay, yeah, see, because the guidance here is for you here is to balance the situation, balance whatever you are going through. You're not able to make a choice, so you're being advised to look into things from all the aspects and then make a choice, instead of rushing into anything and making a choice or taking a decision. Okay, so just look into things from all the different angles. For some of you, it may be if you were in a situation where you were looking for justice to be served to you, so there are very good chances that you may get what you were expecting, and also that you will get the rewards for the work you have done. Okay, so it's like it will be equal give and take, it will be a fair treatment. So just try to focus on things which will help you to move ahead, instead of focusing on what is gone or what is left behind or what did not serve you. So just try to change your perspective and see things from a higher angle, from a different angle, different perspective. Because the outcome for you here is, once you try to come out of this situation where you are kind of you know people around you are not supporting you, and it is causing you this disturbance and a mental blockage kind of thing. So just try to figure out to see things from a different angle, and instead of focusing on justifying your actions to others, try to communicate your action, your ideas, your plans to others in a much effective way, so that it will avoid this conflict situation and help you to move forward. Okay, so that is what I see is coming for you. Now let's see what are the angels and ancestors messages you have, how you can come out of this situation or deal with this situation in the month of June. What do you have to do? Taurus, what do you have to do? What is the guidance coming in? Alright, I will take this. Okay, I thought it's just the one, but both. Okay, see, whatever you are going through, it's a sage. Okay, so be devoted and committed. So it's like whatever ideas, whatever experience you have gained till now from your life, it's better if you write down everything. As I said, you need to communicate your plans, your ideas, your strategies properly to avoid any disagreements or arguments, right? So same thing is coming in the card, that you need to write down your ideas, your plans, and help people understand what you are trying to do and how it will be beneficial for you and for the people around you or connected to you in the long run. Whatever experience you have gained till now, whatever knowledge you have gained till now, just look at your life journey and see the experience you have gained, the knowledge you have gained, what kind of challenges you have overcome. Just try to take note of everything and be committed, be devoted, like be dedicated towards your work. Okay, and that will help you to grow. It can also mean that people who are younger to you or who looks at you for any kind of actions or any kind of guidance, your action, your guidance, your ideas may help them also to grow. Okay, so that is also one of the message. Another is the heart guardian, because she says that love and let yourself be loved. So since you are in so much of dilemma, you people around you may not be understanding you right now, you may not be getting support from them right now, so you might be feeling unloved, unworthy. So you do not have to think in that way. Okay, because you are desirable of love. So just, you know, just communicate in a very polite and light manner, and see, the things are not always how they appears to be, right? Sometimes we don't understand and sometimes others don't understand us, which somewhere help, kind of, you know, our mind kind of play games and we start creating things in our own head, kind of assumptions, right? That this person doesn't understand me, they don't love me and all. So just try not to focus on that. Instead, focus on how you can make things better between you and the people around you are involved in this connection, and you need to love yourself and the people around. Okay, so that's the reading, guys, for the whole month of June. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Thank you. Bye bye.